What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another Fast Freight 5. The COVID-19 crisis revealed major inefficiencies and opportunities for improvement within the global supply chain. And knowing more about the state of reverse logistics in the post-COVID world is the only way to survive. So let's give you 5 things real fast. Number 1. Returning to business means a more cautious returns process. Reverse logistics includes returns management. Organizations have placed significant emphasis on avoiding unnecessary touch points and minimizing in-store visits for consumers. As more organizations reopen brick-and-mortar stores in the coming months, store employees and supply chain professionals need to take a more cautious view of returns. Number 2, a higher rate of returns is expected following the pandemic. The rate of returns is also expected to grow in the coming months. While this may be due in part to overpurchasing, the increased demand on e-commerce will lead to more e-commerce returns. It's that simple. Number 3, customers expect a contactless returns process. Customers' preferences for returns are changing as well. Regardless of political discussions, concern remains over the current pandemic. Customers want a contactless way to return products. In other words, shippers should expect to see higher rates of returns by mail and through shipping. Number 4, shippers need more automation in managing returns. The increased demand on returns and the reverse supply chain will lead to a greater need for automation. More automation in managing returns can help weed out fraudulent returns, and it can help customers understand the returns policies for products that are ineligible for returns. Personal items, such as hygiene products, may be included on that list. Essentially, the goal is to reduce possible transmission of the coronavirus by unknowingly bringing a contaminated product, back into the store. Number 5, a longer return window despite changing return policies that focus on near-term shopping. Retailers' return policies promote near-term shopping. This is essential as the supply chain attempts to recover from the effects of the pandemic. With that in mind, more organizations are likely to expand the returns window to ensure customers have ample time to consider their products. More time to wait on a return could help lower the rate of returns. COVID-19 redefined the standards for all supply chain processes, including reverse logistics. With the average return rates of e-commerce prior to the pandemic hovering near 30%, now is the time to prepare. Shippers need to start thinking about how they'll handle increased returns and the added strain placed on the resources. Has your organization experienced a surge in returns since the pandemic began? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a great week.
Hold up, before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You'll get up-to-the-minute info from Fast Freight 5, educational material from Talking Freight, and the best voices in the industry from the Freight Project podcast.